This is step one of doing the bolt. This is what it should look like after you're finished with step one. So let's go, I'm going to move this over. So we're going to start with a sketch. You want to start on the front view, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually draw up here because I want you to see all of the pieces. So I'm also going to change something so you can see the dimensions a little bit better. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a center line that starts here. I'm going to go out 1.0970. Okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here. I'm going to go to Dimension Properties. I'm going to go to Document Settings, and I'm going to change my precision here. I'm going to change it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I hit OK, it gives me that full. I need 4. That was a mistake. Let's do 4 because I think that'll be enough for everything. So 1.0970. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck my center line, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start drawing. I'm going to draw from here up, and we're going to create this. Oops. Let's do, yeah, we're going to just start with a line. We'll go straight up, we'll go straight over, and we'll go straight up like this. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is from here to here, and I'm going to make this 0.0929. Okay? So that is the shaft for this. I'm just going to scoot this down so it's out of the way. And the next dimension that I'm going to do is here. Oops, not the center point, or not the midpoint. And we're going to make this 0.08155. Okay? And for some reason, these didn't update with the dimension, so we'll set this to 5. Yeah, so 5 I think was the right idea. Let's do this one let's just go ahead and do this. So we'll go to Dimension Properties and we'll set this to 5. And so that gives us all of those dimensions. Okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create 3 construction lines. So I'm going to go from this corner, I'm going to come straight up. This one doesn't matter what the height is, because this is just a spot here that can give you a reference. The other 2, we are going to measure heights. So we're going to put one about right here, and we're going to put one right about here. Okay, we're going to measure both of these. This one here is going to be 0.128. Okay, 0.128. This one here is going to be I'm going to move this so I can see it. This one is going to be 0.135. Okay, so that gives us, this should be a little higher than these 2. We're going to uncheck this. We're going to draw an arc from here to here, and we're going to touch it here. Then we're going to do another arc from here to here, and now this one, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Tangent, we're going to choose this and this. Okay, and it moves this at the other end. As long as the dimensions are done correctly, that's fine. You can always turn, if you want to, you can turn the visibility of this on, and you can go to coincident. You can select here and here. Okay, and that puts it back. So this is close. There's 2 more dimensions that we need to do. The first one is from here to here, and this one is 0.025. This one from here to here is also 0.025. And there is my shape of my object. I'm all done. I'm gonna move these just so you can see them again. Going through the dimensions to make sure that they're all correct. And then we're gonna go to Finish, Revolve, and OK. And if you did it correctly, it should look just like this. Okay?